Welcome to Bodybuilding for Life channel. Ricardo Segovia is a massive bodybuilder and fitness model living in Miami, Florida. He has a sculpted body like the statues of ancient Greece. Ricardo and his wife have huge legs, very well detailed and with a perfect muscle separation. Ricardo puts a lot of emphasis on his condition, always having a very low body fat and prominent veins all over his body. The legs are one of his strong points, being very well developed but also with striations that make them visually impressive. Ricardo's physique is very well balanced with a large chest, huge arms, and very wide shoulders. The back seems to me to be one of the few minuses, needing more details and thickness. With such a condition and texture of the skin, he seems to be a bodybuilder from the time somewhere in the 80s when everyone looked good. He trains 6 times a week very intensively with heavy weights and short rest time. Ricardo has a specific diet for bodybuilders with high protein and somewhere around 5 or 6 meals a day. He is a personal trainer and has competed in several NPC competitions, and we will definitely hear from him again because he is a determined and motivated bodybuilder. If you've reached the end, don't forget to subscribe to the Bodybuilding for Life channel and stay strong until next time.